I have no idea around, but we're just going to keep moving along here. So who knows? 5 or 6 anyways. We're in the smaller ones here. Like I said, money more well spent here. 15 grand for this bad boy. Not bad. I like it. No, it's like the other one kind of. Just breathe. I like it. A dog. Yeah. Oh, nice. Like I said, this is. We have the bunk beds over there. Like I said, I'd buy it, but I'd say I'll make that in my storage area over there. 'Cause I'm by myself. You know, you can put my bike back in there, and I can put my golf clubs back in there. It's my personal preference. I don't need that back in there. Because you're by yourself, your girlfriend or something, whatever, your wife, or just, like I said, you're hanging out, traveling the country. So, nice. I like it. Not bad. Like maybe if you had a job where you had the summers off or something, or maybe winters off, but nice little place. I like it. I like pop-ups, but it's nice. It's all I would need. Not bad for, you know, if it's all said and done, probably 20 grand. So, I take it. I would just tell them I don't need the bunks. Make it in my storage area. I like golf clubs. I like golf courses, public golf courses. I like water parks. They're fun, so that's nice. Easy. That's an easy one to pull. That music going on there in the first place, so I can't go in there. What, 20 grand for that bad boy. So going over here, but you can tell there's some stuff over there. So. Kind of a nice one. Up into here. Remember during the pandemic, they were fear mongering that they're running out of. There were so many of them around. Break. Kind of nice. This is the leg room for the head in the shower. It's free to get in, like I said, $20 to park, which isn't bad. Nice big workbench. Oh my goodness, that's huge. Nice. Nice faucet there. Heck yeah. But I like that last one you guys just saw. That one, I like Scamp, but that was nice. 40 years old, a bachelor, I'm a getaway guy. Maybe I work 10-hour days. I'm off every Friday. Take it up to a place and hang out. So, I know they're over there in Shakopee, Nelson's RV World 101. Nice. I like this layout. Good for family, mom and dad. Place to sit down, hang out. Again, if I was buying it for myself, storage area. But still, those are some nice beds for the family. So, it's kind of nice. Looks like a freezer and a fridge. A room to sit down, go to the bathroom, whatever. Nice shower to sit in there. Would you shower in the shower at Penn State? I would not shower in the shower at Penn State. Pretty small, but I think you get the job done. You're just RVing, that's all you're doing. So, it's nice. Free starter kit with purchase of a trailer. Okay, all right. Alrighty then. Oh. I got a big one in here. A nice size one. I'll make sure I've got my. I think I brought another battery. I know I did. If I didn't, I got the GoPro. But this is you can kind of see this one. How that one is. Gonna go in there, so I need to go in there. There's the head. Again, storage area, but still I get it for family. Not bad. 28 grand, 30 grand, give or take, whatever. 2025 Cherokee. Mm-hmm. It all depends how much you use it. If you buy it just because you can, you don't use it, why bother, right?
This was 29.7, I think. They used to, though. 29.7. The number on the side used to be
36,000.
inside of the back.
Ooh, this is nice and spacious. Find the joy in the journey. I agree. Nice. This is right next to the Wild Arena, the old Civic Center. Tore that thing out a long time ago. Nice. I like that. I like that you can get in and out of there real easy. Fridge is smart. Goes out this way. Good for them. You got the head. You can get in there. Let me see. Let's see how tall it is for the cowboy. Oh, that's not bad. I'm 6'2". So yeah, I would shower in the shower. So I would. Nice. I like that. Nice. You got 40 grand laying around? I take it. You know, just you and the wife. No kids? Plenty. Hell yeah. Did I do this one already? Maybe not. I don't know. If I did, I did. No, it's a little different one. I want 26,000. More storage area for if you have kids. So, nice. Sit right here, hang out, drink some gangster juice. I don't know this. But, depends what you want to spend and what you expect. It's like buying a car, right? You're living in California, Florida, you don't need a four-wheel drive unless you really want to. Minnesota, don't buy the front-wheel drives. You'll never get out of your driveway. It's not too bad. This is $20,000 Cherokee. Again, right there. Again, for me, yeah, I like it. Got your workbench. The head is pretty good. Yeah, not bad at all. This could be a little wider, I think, but whatever. Not bad. That one I saw before is really nice. But a lot of times the microwaves break on right away. Just sad when you're spending 20 grand on something like this and, you can't even take it out and it's getting repaired. Especially the land yachts. Don't do it. It's telling you, don't do it. Oh, my goodness. Oh. He's known. That's nice. Interesting. Kind of a weird layout. Kind of a couch area, I don't know. Kind of weird. I think I'm thinking of a big family here, I guess. I don't know. It's $32,000 for this bad boy Cherokee. Not bad. It's a nice shower in there. Would you shower in the shower? So, I don't know. It's a little. This is a waste of good suffering over here. Waste of good space. In my mind, I don't know. It's kind of strange. Like they didn't know what to do. Kind of like writing a song, and just humming the same thing over and over and over again. I don't know. I like it, but it's too much wasted space over there. Because you don't really have a dinner table. That's what you need there. You better have a dinner table right in the middle if you're going to do that. As far as I'm concerned.
How you doing?
Not too bad. This kind of seems like a weird design there. They don't have a dinner table there.
Yes, it's different.
To me, it's like they kind of were running out of space. They didn't know what to do. It's kind of like you're writing a song.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I don't know. To me, it's kind of strange. I mean, if I was to buy it, I'd say I want a table in there. I'd have it ripped out in my mind. That's what I just to me, that's a waste of good suffering space. It's just limited on the road. It's strange.
Yeah.
But whatever. I don't know.
Yeah. What kind of camera is that?
It's a DJI.
DJI. Okay.
Yeah, they'll be up in July.
Oh, okay.
I do like 6 and 6 and 8 in a row.
Oh, nice.
So I'll do it for you guys. But I listen to Liz Amazing on YouTube, and but if I was to buy this, will you allow someone to come in and inspect to make sure it's okay? I have an inspector come in and make sure there's no leaking, whatever else. Would you allow that or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what's your warranty on something? What's your warranty on this?
So from the factory, it's 1 year parts and labor.
Okay, 1 year. That's it.
Yep.
And if it does screw up, do you fix it or do you send it to them?
You bring it to us. We have to take pictures, submit it to them, to Forest River. They got to approve the fix.
And do they come and get it, or I got to bring it to them?
You got to bring it to the shop.
That's wrong. I mean, to them?
No, to a Forest River dealer.
Oh, really?
Not to Forest River in Indiana.
Oh, yeah. So that's what all made it. Okay. I was just curious.
Yeah.
So, all right. Because I've been doing a lot of these RV ones out there. And Liz Amazing is really good. She talks about, people getting screwed over, spending 120 grand on something, and it's wrong.
Yeah.
If I'm making these things, I'm gonna call them bulletproof. But to me, that's a weird design. But anyways, thank you for your time. Appreciate it.
That fifth wheel is remarkable.
So this one is a smaller one. Let's see, this one is. Oh, this is a nice one. See, I don't need that, but I understand that. But 10 grand, not bad. See, I just would take that out, my personal opinion. But for $10,000, that's not bad at all. It's nice, kind of nice. Very, very nice. But anyways, guys, so yeah, we're going to put a new battery in here. We'll keep on going. The DJI. So anyways, guys, from the outskirts, see you the next one.